मारियस फर्नांडिसाच्या जोड पालवान काकुलो मॉलाच्या CSR उपक्रमात 29 आणि 30 एप्रिलाक काकुलो मॉलात आंब्याचे फेस्त घडोवन हाडटात. फेस्ताचे खाशेलेपण म्हळ्यार हातूंत दिव्यांग लोकांक स्टॉलां मांडपाक मेकळीक आसतली. पळयात. 29 आणि 30 एप्रिलाक काकुलो मॉलात जातल्या आंब्याच्या फेस्ताक थळावे आंब्याचे वेपारी तरातरांचे आंबे आनी आंब्यापासून तयार केल्ल्या खाणांचे प्रदर्शन मांडटले. ते भायर आंब्याची कलमां, आंब्याचे सांसव, आंब्याचे लोणचें कशें करप हाचेर डेमो आनी कार्यशाळा आसतली. तशेंच सांस्कृतीक कार्यावळीचोय आस्पाव आसतलो. हे फेस्त झिरो वेस्ट आसतले.
Community working over 2 days. Very special fest this time, 29th to 30th, like last year, is that we are going to get the mango vendors who are selling mangoes on the streets of Goa. You have seen them on the roads in Karazale, Talegaon, Verna, wherever you go, you see all these old people sitting down, struggling in the hot sun to sell mangoes. So here we are happy that the Kakula Mall has given us this opportunity, bringing them into the mall for 2 days. So we will be bringing them, they will start at 11 o'clock. The market starts at 11 till 8. And they will come not only with mangoes, different types. With mangoes comes the mango pickles, mango sweets, mango cakes, mango fruits. We are going to have workshops, we are going to have grafting sessions to graft a mango. Another thing that we'll be doing, and hopefully we want people to see, sell and buy mango samplings. Mangoes have to start, people have to start growing mangoes everywhere.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीस, श्वेता गांवकर आनी शिवानी सांगेलकार.